Hey Crea'Madonas, welcome back to the channel. I'm Belitra and I am the crafty black girl. So you guys, in today's videos, this is a custom order that we're working on, and this is a Sonic the Hedgehog basket. So I'm starting off how I normally do, filling the basket, and I am using some newspaper, and I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this tissue paper around it because I won't want it to be seen through my basket. As you see that the basket has holes in it. So you guys, it was so hard for me to find items that were Sonic the Hedgehog, so of course you guys, we went with the color scheme. So this basket is a custom basket, custom order, and this is actually like a birthday Easter basket. It's not just for Easter, but it's actually for a birthday party. So I found that little backpack water gun in Five Below. I thought it was so cute. And then this t-shirt I found from Target. The t-shirt was $9. The backpack was $5. And this little drinking glasses, I thought those were really cute. They were $2.50. I also found the little Sonic figurine, and that was $5 as well. So I'm just going ahead and pulling off all the tags like I normally do, and the tags that I can't pull off, of course, I cover them with stickers. So I don't know, have you guys seen much Sonic apparel, merchandise, toys, anything? I feel like it was kind of hard to find things because this is not one of the popular trending type characters right now, so it was a little bit hard to find items for this basket, but I mean, we're gonna make it work. We made it work. So I added the Easter eggs. They're all filled with candy. Added those Smarties, added the Reese's, and of course those came from the bouquets from Valentine's. And then of course, like I always do, I'm just gonna go ahead and cover up the back of the basket. But I was so impressed with finding that water gun. The water gun was one of the things that the mom requested, and I was glad that I could find not just an ordinary water gun but a backpack water gun, so I'm sure he's gonna love that. So I'm going ahead and taping the sides, and just to funk it up a little bit, I just did two colors in the back. Not that it was necessary, but just to add to the basket and just make it look a little different than normal. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap it up in the shrink wrap, and that was pretty simple basket. So you guys, I ended up selling this one for $50 was the total. I probably used about $20 on materials, so yeah, I gotta get my pricing right. But I did like this basket. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment down below. What do you think? Any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Give it a thumbs up, and thank you all so much for watching. Till next time, stay crafty.